So this is a quick video where I will show you how to install the API route. So by default, you can see Laravel 12 does not have a api.php route by default. So you can see I have a Docker setup, and this is the new project that I have installed, that is Laravel 12, and we do not get the api.php file. Okay, so I'll also provide you link in the description if you need to install it with the Docker. And so let's get started, and I will show you how we can include this route. So I also created a blog page for it, and you can see that we need to run this command in order to install the API route. So this will also install some packages. Okay, so Sanctum package will be installed along with some other packages will be enabled. So let's go ahead and do this. So I'm running this command on my Docker desktop only. So you can see ls, and you can see I have a Docker file, Docker compose.yml file, and my project file, and my application is running on this URL. If you can see, localhost, my project public, and index.php. So now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go to cd my project. Okay, once I do this, what I'm going to do is ls to see the list of files in my folder. So let's clear this. So let's put this command over here now to install API routes. Okay, so if I click on enter, then you will see some of the packages that will get installed. Okay, you can see that these packages have been installed, and it's asking me, would you like to run all the pending migrations? So I would say yes. So you can also run this later by PHP artisan migrate, but since it's asking me, I'm saying yes. And what this will create is it will create this table into a database now, and now if you go to your files, you can see that the API route is installed. Okay, so this is the first step. Okay, so next we'll create API, and I will show you how to call this API. Okay, so let's do that. So in my blog, if you go right below, you can see. Okay, so I have created this controller. So let's create a controller. Okay, so I'll just name it as a API controller only here. So how it is. So let's paste this and run this. So now what will happen is we'll get a new controller that is an API controller. Okay, and I'm just going to copy the code from this, and I'm going to use this code in the file. Okay, then just let's use only the function from this file. Okay, and let's paste it here. Okay, and now if we indent it, let's indent it so it looks good, and let's save this function. Okay, now let's include the API controller in this. The So I'll put a comment here, include API controller, and let's include this, and let's use the route now endpoint. Okay, so let's use the route endpoint like this. So this will call API controller and index. So it will call the index function. So let me put this into the code over here. Okay, and let's save this. And once I save this, so let's call this API now over here. Since it is a get API, so we should be able to call it. slash API slash our API name. So there will always be a API prefix. Okay, and let's rename this to something else. Okay, custom. Okay, custom. Okay, let's name it as custom and let's say custom over here. And let's see what loads. And now you can see that I have loaded the Laravel API over here. Okay, so thanks for watching, guys, and I will post the links in the description of the Docker plus also the blog so you can go through it. So, if you have any queries, just put it into the comments.